Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
We meet again in fifth meeting and study club. Today we will present our topic. Each of us will present about our topics. Today I will present about why sleep is matters for students.
Food and drinks.
The important hobbies for students and overthinking.
Okay, let's start from me first. Why sleep matters for students? Because sleep gives the body time to repair and also recharge our body for the next day. And without it, the brain gets slower and the body feels weak. Talking about sleep in academic performance, sleep can have a good benefit such as a focus, attention in class, and help our memory. And also, students who sleep enough have more focus in the class rather than students that have a less sleep hours. Talking about less of sleep hours or poor sleep effect for the poor sleep, that's a lack of sleep can give bad impact like stress and difficult to concentrate, and also weaken the immune system to our body. Tips for better sleep: don't sleep too overnight, like in midnight. Don't sleep at midnight, and you have to go to bed every night in that day. Like example, in 10 p.m. for the next day, you have to sleep at 10 p.m. because the cycle is always like that. If you sleep at 3 a.m. in the morning, the next day you feel sleepy in 3 a.m. too. And that can make bad impacts for your daily life. That's all.
Okay. Food and drinks. Food, I think, is one of the most important for me. I think not for me, Indonesian people as well. Why? Because food is part of everything for everyone's life. With our food, we can have energy and drink. When you less of water, your body may dehydrates. What's food and drinks? Each one of us share my daily food or drink. For breakfast, I usually not eating like the rest, but usually I just drink a cup of coffee and some egg with eggs on the bread. And yeah, my favorite food is, I think, send it along my friends, nasi goreng. It's easy to cook and delicious. It has vegetable, eggs, and sometimes chicken. And after eating, I tend to drink like iced tea or fruit, orange fruit ice. Because it's unhealthy for us. Maybe still for me.
Okay, the importance of hobbies for students. Many students spend most of their time studying, doing assignments, and preparing for exam. While education is very important, having a hobby is also necessary for a healthy and balanced life. Hobbies help us relax and reduce stress when we do something we love, such as drawing, playing sport, singing, or gardening. We feel happy and motivated again. Hobbies also improve our creativity and help us discover new talents we didn't know we had. In addition, hobbies can connect us with others who enjoy the same activities, allowing us to make new friends and grow in teams. In conclusion, hobbies are not a waste of time. They make us more active, creative, and mentally healthy. So let's give ourselves time to enjoy hobbies that make us happy, because a healthy mind leads to better learning and more meaningful life. That's all. And next is about overthinking. Overthinking is something many of us struggle with. We replay moments, imagine worst-case scenarios, and stress about things that happen. But the truth is, most of our fears exist only in our minds. Life becomes lighter when we learn to let go of things we cannot control. It's okay to pause, and it's okay to breathe, and it's okay to choose peace instead of overthinking. In conclusion, overthinking steals our peace. Learning to let go, even little by little, makes life easier to live. That's all for me.
Okay, that's all from us. We have a nice topic to discuss, and we already listened about